Hello everybody, Lonesome from Lonesome's Garage. I just thought I'd give you a quickie on what I was doing today. A little wiring harness job I was trying to finish up. As you can see, there's not much room to work, and I had to replace the main harness going back. And some previously butchered stuff I'm going to have to check out when I get the main harness back in. And I still got to somehow get up in there and attach my rear harness back. But it's all tying up the loose ends per se. 400 miles of going nowhere to nothing. And I've got, they don't leave you no room at all. This is just about ridiculous. Had to do a bunch of replacement and retrace wires and fix broken wires. And that's just getting started on this section of it. Had to remount all this stuff. Chase all this down. That's your throttle control. That's your high and low speed on your throttle control. Got to replace the fuel line, yeah. Replace all the main new boxes and everything. But this critter's a beast, guys. I'll tell you. I just thought I'd give you a little quick update of what I was into this lovely morning. Y'all have a blessed day here. Lonesome's out.